Hi, this is Reiki with Albert. All right, this is healing, having a bad day, or unlucky day. Same thing. Why are you having a bad day? What happened? Tell me. Come on, I'm here. Tell me. Tell me right now. Should be a few words. What's the focus? Focus on the intent. You're having a bad day. Things are not going out the way you plan? Or you're just not lucky today? You make your life. Why don't you make it lucky? Why don't you change your life around and have a bright day? Having a bad day is negative. You don't want that negativity. You want to get that negativity out of your head. Lavender right now, ground you. Get that negativity out of you. You don't need that negativity in you right now. Take a deep breath. I want to having a great day. You want to have a great day, not a bad day. You want to have a great day. Say it. Keep repeating that. You want to have a great day. Repeat. You want to have a great day. Again. You want to have a great day. Again. You want to have a great day. Okay? Can you do that? Keep repeating that. Go do something that makes you happy. Go, if it's hot where you are, go to the pool or go to the beach. Go swim it off. Go do something that makes you happy. You got a boat? Go get that boat out. Go fishing, whatever it is you like to do. Go ski, go jet skiing, whatever it is that you like to do that makes you happy, go do it. You can do whatever you want. As long as you have the money, you can do it. If you got the money, go do it. Don't worry about money problems. This is actually not for that. That could fall into this too. But hey, think about the next day. Don't think about right now, the present. Think about the next day. You could do. There's a lot of stuff you can do to change your life. You should plan ahead in your life. You should have money saved or money stashed away in where you live, or you don't have to put everything in the bank. You stash it away. You put some in the bank for the bills and the necessities, the things, look good on paper, but you should keep a stash someplace. And why? Because it's called petty cash. There's something that you can do something with. Hey, you want to go buy that computer. Hey, you want to go out to a movies. Hey, you want to go get some pizza. Hey, you want to get some ice cream. Whatever it is that makes you happy. Come on. You were a kid once. You're also kids. You still have that 5-year-old inside you. You just block it down and lock it away. Let it free again. Change your life. Stop thinking about having a bad day or having an unlucky day. Stop thinking about stuff like that. That's not good. You gotta stay happy and positive. Take care of. Don't turn to the bottle. Don't turn to drugs. Don't turn to smokes. That's not gonna help you. That's like a mirage. It's just a fantasy, a dream to keep you, not thinking. But then the next day you feel the repercussions of that: headaches, migraines, all sorts of things. Yellow fingernails, yellow teeth. Why put you through and mess up your heart and your skin? All that stuff can age you. You don't want to rapid age. If you're 25 and you don't want to look like you're 50 already, huh? Take care of yourself. There's no excuse to let yourself go. Take care of your skin. Get the right stuff for your skin. Don't use chemical. They just use chemicals because it's cheaper to make the product. What's out there? What do I have here? This is plants. Plants with healing powers. Okay? This is our life force in here. So you need to get yourself motivated. Get yourself out of that bed. Get yourself going. Get yourself together. Get yourself ready to start your day. Get up in the morning. First thing you do, go to the restroom. Wash your face. Brush your teeth. Floss it. Do everything you have to do. Fix your hair. Jump in the shower. Okay? So jump in the shower first. Then do all those things. Cold shower will wake you up. I know it's kind of hard to take, but hey, cold showers do work. Cold shower. Okay? If you want to, you can take a warm, hot shower. Whatever you feel comfortable doing. Get one of those fancy shower heads that sprinkle like rainwater on you. Why don't you stick a traditional shower head, a boring shower head? You can get one that sprays a mist, saves water that way, or you can get the raindrop effect. Okay? You can get it glowing different colors. What makes you happy is the shower. That's your place, it's your place of solitude. Okay? Make yourself feel good. Think about all that stuff, Get your favorite gel. Something that smells good. Something that exfoliates your skin. For men and, the men have those products too. Not just the women, you use both. And you can just feel good. When you're buying those things, open up the bottle and sniff it and see how it smells. It smells good too, you can get it. Okay? Make sure it doesn't have anything that you're allergic to. But then you break out and you don't want to be worried about that stuff. But listen, you need to get your life together, okay? Are you ready? Take a deep breath. I'm having a great day. Keep on saying that. I'm having a great day. I'm having a great day. I will get rid of that negative energy. Take that negative energy out of you. You're having a great day. Not saying you're having a bad day. Get away from here. We are having a great day. Your day is great. Your day is special. You're having a fantastic day today. Your day is great. Your day is great. You're having a fantastic day today. You're having a fantastic day today. Your day is great. Your day is great. You are having a fantastic, lucky day. Your luck has changed. Your luck has changed. You're having a great day today. You're having a great day today. You are having a great day today. You're having a great day today. You're having a great day today. Your day is going great. 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 Great. You are having a great day. You're having a great day. You're having a special day. You're having a special day. Your day is going so great. You don't know what to do. I'm telling you, get out there right now. Jump in your sports car. Jump in your bike. Whatever you got. You got a motorcycle, get on it. Go to the coast. Hang out the beach. Go up to the mountains. Get a tent and relax yourself. Whatever you like to do, go do it right now. Go make yourself happy. There's no excuse for sticking around and not being happy. Because that's all negative. You got to be happy right now. You got to be happy right now. You got to be happy right now. You are that person right now. You are the person to be happy now. You are the person to be happy right now. You are the one. You are the one to be happy now. You are the one to be happy right now. Take a deep breath. I feel happy. I feel happy. I feel great. I feel satisfied. I'm happy right now. Say, I'm happy right now. I'm happy right now. I'm happy right now. I'm happy right now. Say it. I'm happy right now. I'm happy right now. I'm happy right now. I'm happy right now. Shout it. Whisper it. Whatever it is you want to do. I'm happy right now. 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 I'm happy. You're happy right now. You're happy right now. You are happy. You are relaxed. You are stress-free. You are better than you are before. You are better than you are before. You are better than you are before. You are better. You are better. You are better than you are before. You are better than you are before. You are better than you are before. You are better. You are better. You are happy. You are having a great day. 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 You have a great day.